Hey guys, welcome to my new video. This is my new video in the series of every iPhone tips. There will be a lot more tips in this series, so stay tuned by subscribing to my channel. Also, you can click over here to see the playlist for my earlier videos on iPhone tips, mainly like how to download free music or free ringtones on your iPhones, how to remove water from your iPhone by just an application, and there are many more tips in this series. So let's start the video, but before I start, kindly subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you will get notified every time I post a new video. Your iPhone comes with an inbuilt scanner. Where do you find it? Just go to Notes, click on the plus icon, again click on the small plus icon. So you get these options: scan documents, take photos or videos. Click on scan documents. Just position the camera in front of the document and that's it. Your scanned copy of document is ready. The second option, you can position the camera and click on the camera button. And here you can just do some adjustment with the edges. So once you are done with your adjustment, you can click on keep scan. Click on your scanned copy. Again, you can do some more adjustment. You can color grade them. Also, you can rotate them as per your liking. Once you finish with your editing, you can click on done. Click on save. Now the scanned copy is saved in your notes. Just for your remembrance, you can write down the heading as invoice and click on done. To share the scanned copy right from here, just press and hold and you can share it right from your notes. You can WhatsApp the document, you can message the document, or you can email the same document right from here. And also you can save the document in your notes for the future reference. That's it. Wasn't it easy? Subscribe for more iPhone tips in the future and do hit the thumbs up if you like the video. See you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye and peace out. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.